Hello friends, welcome back to Freelance with Jay. I'm Jay, and today we're diving into one of the biggest challenges freelancers face, time management. You see, freelancing gives you freedom, but that freedom can also become a trap if you don't manage your hours wisely. Stick with me till the end of this video because I'll share practical steps and real examples to help you balance projects, deadlines, and your personal life. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our freelancing lessons. As freelancers, we don't get paid for just being busy, we only get paid when we deliver results. Poor time management can mean missed deadlines, unhappy clients, and even burnout. But when you manage your time well, you'll not only earn more but also enjoy more freedom. The very reason most of us chose freelancing in the first place. Now let's be honest. What do freelancers struggle with the most? First, distractions. Social media, phone calls, even Netflix can sneak in during work hours. Second, poor boundaries with clients. Maybe you've had a client who messages you at 11 p.m. and expects an instant reply. And third, overcommitting. Saying yes to too many projects might look good in the beginning, but it often leads to late nights, stress, and missed deadlines. One way to fight these struggles is to set clear priorities. Start your day with a to-do list. Not a random one, but a list sorted by importance. Focus on high-value tasks first, the ones that move your projects and income forward. Avoid what I call busy work, tasks that keep you occupied but don't add real value. For example, instead of spending 2 hours redesigning your portfolio colors, spend that time finishing a client's draft that you'll get paid for. Here's a powerful method, time blocking. This means you assign specific hours of your day to specific tasks. For example, 9 to 11 a.m. is for client project A, 11:30 to 1 p.m. is for project B, then 2 to 3 p.m. for admin work. And don't forget, block time for breaks and rest too. When you stick to time blocking, you're less likely to drift into distractions because every hour already has a purpose. Now listen, multitasking might sound productive, but it's actually a trap. When you jump between tasks, replying to emails while editing a design while checking WhatsApp, you lose focus and slow yourself down. Instead, work on one task at a time. Group similar tasks together. A good method is the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, rest for 5. Do this 4 times, then take a longer break. It trains your brain to focus, and you'll be surprised at how much more you can get done. Good news, you don't have to do this alone. There are tools that make time management easier. For project management, try Trello or Notion. They help you keep track of tasks and deadlines. For scheduling, use Google Calendar. It's free, and you can set reminders so you don't miss meetings or deadlines. And for tracking how much time you spend, use Toggle. It shows you where your hours really go. These tools are like having a personal assistant without paying for one. Here's a big one, boundaries. Freelancers often feel guilty about saying no, but if you don't protect your time, no one else will. Decide your working hours and communicate them clearly. If a client sends a message at midnight, it's okay to reply the next morning. Don't let constant interruptions steal your focus. And most importantly, don't be afraid to politely decline work if it will overload you. Respecting your own limits earns you respect from clients too. Now, let's talk about something freelancers often forget, rest. A tired freelancer is an unproductive freelancer. Schedule breaks, take walks, exercise, or even nap when you need to. Your brain does its best work when it's recharged. Think of it like this, if your phone battery dies, you plug it in. Don't treat yourself worse than a smartphone. Here's the bottom line. Managing your time well means more income, less stress, and happier clients. Freelancing is not just about working hard, it's about working smart. When you control your time, you control your freedom, your energy, and your results. So there you have it, the keys to mastering your time as a freelancer. I'm Jay, and this is Freelance with Jay. If you found this video valuable, go ahead and hit subscribe right now. That's the best way to keep learning with us every week. And don't miss our next video, Freelancing Tools and Resources. I'll walk you through the best apps and platforms that save you time, boost your productivity, and help you grow as a freelancer. Until then, manage your time wisely, and keep freelancing smarter, not harder.